What if I tell you something interesting? You do not need 1 million subscribers. You do not need viral videos. You do not need expensive cameras. Yes, you can still make money on YouTube. Most people quit YouTube very early. Why? Because they think YouTube money comes only from AdSense. That is not true. There are many real ways to earn monetization from YouTube. Even if you are a beginner, even if you are a student. Today I will explain the 10 best ways to make money on YouTube in the simplest way possible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain It Simple. On this channel we explain complex things in a very simple way. If you are a student, a beginner or starting from zero, this video is for you. Watch till the end. One idea from this video can change how you think about YouTube. Before we start, let me clear one big myth. YouTube is not just AdSense. YouTube is attention. YouTube is trust. When people trust you, money follows. First, help people, then earn from it. Now, let us begin. The first way to make money on YouTube is AdSense. Yes, AdSense is real, but for beginners, it is slow. AdSense works best in education, finance, health and explanation channels. Short videos bring views. Long videos bring money. But remember this, never depend only on AdSense. Use it as base income, not as your main goal. The second way is affiliate marketing. This is one of the best methods for beginners. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product. When someone buys using your link, you earn money. You can promote books, study apps, AI tools or simple gadgets. You don't need a big channel. You only need the right audience. Small channels can also earn well. The third way is selling digital products. If you can explain something clearly, you can sell knowledge. You can create PDF notes, study planners, checklists, or a small course. You create it once. You sell it again and again. This is one of the smartest ways to earn online. The fourth way is freelancing through YouTube. YouTube builds trust faster than any resume. If you have skills like video editing, thumbnail design, script writing, or social media help, YouTube can bring clients to you. People watch your videos, they trust you, then they contact you. Your channel becomes your free portfolio. The fifth way is brand deals. Many people think brand deals are only for big YouTubers. That is wrong. You do not need 1 lakh subscribers. If your niche is clear and your audience is active, brands will pay you. Even small creators earn per video. The sixth way is faceless YouTube channels. If you do not like showing your face, no problem. Faceless channels work very well. Examples are explanation videos, facts videos, motivation and AI voice videos. These channels need consistency, not camera confidence, low ego, high consistency, strong income. The seventh way is coaching or consulting. If you are good at one thing, teach it. It can be study guidance, productivity help, or YouTube advice. Even helping one person can earn more than 1 month of AdSense. Teaching is powerful. The eighth way is YouTube Shorts with affiliate links. Shorts give fast reach. You can recommend books, apps, or tools. Put your link in the bio or description. Short videos, long-term income. The ninth way is building your personal brand. When people trust you, they don't buy products. They buy from you. A personal brand lets you sell your own courses, services, or products. This gives long-term income and freedom. The 10th and final way is smart reuse of content. You can use Creative Commons videos or stock clips, but you must add value. Edit better, explain better, never copy blindly. Smart work always beats hard work. YouTube is not luck. YouTube is a skill. If you do not start today, 6 months later you will still be thinking. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Explain It Simple. In the next video, I will share a complete beginner roadmap for YouTube growth. See you soon.